Hi friends, I'm Anil. Welcome to my channel Computer Basics. In this video, we will discuss regarding software basics. Now, what is a software, how it is working, and how many types of softwares are there? These things we will discuss here. Very basic knowledge. So it is required to all category of people, students, working men, technical, non-technical students. So let us try to understand all these things. So if somebody will ask you what is software, first of all we have to understand some other topics, other concepts. First of all, it is coming instruction. What is instruction? So it is repeatedly coming in computer science instruction. So what is an instruction? According to our dictionary, it is just an order, or it is a direction, or it is an explanation of how to do the task. It is not only one order. Here they will tell how to do it. So that is an instruction. Basically, if in a simple word we will tell, it is a direction to do a work. Okay. Now after coming from instruction, the second term is program. What is a program? Now if I will tell you that each and every event of your life is a program. Your marriage ceremony, birthday ceremony, you are going to college, that is also a program. So each and every task is a program. Now how to define a program? A program is a sequence of instructions or set of instructions to do a specific task. Suppose I will tell you that write a program to cook rice. Okay. Now to cook rice, specific procedure are there. Switch on the stove. Now either pressure cooker or some bucket. Put some water, put some rice. If pressure cooker, close the vessel. Okay. Now switch on this stove. Whatever procedure is, it is previously fixed, and only is that you are following that, you are doing that activity, you are performing that activity. Okay. Now whatever procedure is fixed, that is the program. Now what you are doing? You are executing that program, you are performing the action according to that program. So basically a program is a set of instructions, nothing else. A set of instructions, or you may tell predefined procedure to do a specific task. Okay. Now after coming from program, the third term is software. What is a software? Software is a collection of various programs. A software may be a single program, a software may be a collection of more than one programs. Generally, software means whatever we are getting from the market or in the internet, whatever softwares are available, or all are collection of programs. Okay. So each program will be doing some task. Gatherly, if you will gather all the programs, they will do a specific task. Clear? So software, what it is? It is a set of program, nothing else. Okay. This sequence you have to understand. Now if you will tell that what is example of instruction, you may take any example. Suppose I am writing z is equal to x plus y. It is an instruction that add x and y, store the result in z. That is an instruction to perform a task. Clear? Remember, this is the computer language. I have written in computer language. If you are writing in English, then you will write x plus y is equal to z. In English we are writing like that, but in computer science it is in programming language it is reverse. Why it is, we will study in programming. So for the timing, for our topic software basics, First is instruction, it is a direction, it is a explanation of how to do the task. Now program is a set of instructions, it is a predefined set of procedures or set of instructions where we are doing a specific task. Software, it is a set of program, definition is same. Okay, now it is also to do a specific task. Now this software, how we will see this is how we will feel a software. See, if software you will remove from a computer, then that will be a electronic box only. If you will pick up some circuit from the garbage, you can't work on that circuit, that is the hardware, you can't work. You will get something from the garbage, electronics garbage, a motherboard or something, or a DVD writer or something you got, hard disk, something you got, directly you can't work on that. Okay, so to work on a hardware, we need some software. Okay, so for each and every hardware some softwares are there. We will discuss that later. First of all, software is a set of program to perform some specific task. Now how many types of softwares are there? How many in how many ways we are using this software in our computer? So generally there are two types of software. One is system software, another is application software. Now what is a system software and what is an application software? To understand this, we have a very familiar diagram. The diagram is, first there is a 4-layer diagram. First layer, it is hardware. First hardware is there. On that hardware, some softwares are there which are working on this hardware. Those are called system software. Okay, on this software, some other softwares are there which are working on this software, system software. These are called application software. Okay, for example, if we will take example, it will be very clear. If I am taking example of system software, I will tell operating system. Now you are telling I am using Android mobile. Okay, if you are operating a computer, you are telling I am using Windows platform or Linux platform. What is that platform? What is that Android? All these things are a software. What type of software? System software. Okay, these softwares are loaded on that hardware, on that computer or on that mobile. Now this software, this operating system is accessing the hardware. Now due to this operating system, the computer is ready for use. Okay, that I told in bootstrap loader in basic block diagram, that operating system is loaded from hard disk to temporary memory RAM. So this software, this system software, operating system, only able to access the hardware. Now on that, suppose you are playing a game nowadays, so many type of car race, bike race you are playing in the computer. What are those? Those are application software. Okay, so many softwares are there to edit your photo, like Photoshop. What is that? That is a application software. Okay, so many softwares are there to play your video, for example, VLC media player. Okay, VLC media player, Photoshop, to edit photo. Similarly, for animation purpose, you have seen Hollywood pictures, so many like Mummy Returns, Mummy, so many animations are there. Those animations generally they are done in some software. Those softwares are called, one of those software is Maya. Okay, so these softwares are called application software. Okay, after all these things, after these three layers, here is the user. Okay, user is the fourth layer. So user is accessing the application softwares like game, media player, or your animation softwares. Okay, those are placed on the system software, that is operating system. Operating system is placed on the hardware. So this diagram is very much important to understand this system software and application software. Clear? Now in this way a software is working, and these are the two types of softwares, only two types, there is no third type. Two types of software: system software, application, which is directly related, which is directly accessing the hardware, that is called system software, because it is accessing the systems. Okay, system means here computer hardware, nothing else. Since it is accessing the hardware, it is system software. Now on the system software there is another type of software, that is application software, which is directly accessed by user. Okay, system software is accessed for hardware, application software is accessed by user. Got it? Now this application software is placed on system software. So in how many layers your computer is working? You are here, you are the user, you are operating one application software, either you are playing video, or you are editing photo, or you are typing text, or you are animating something. Those are application software. Those application software are working with system software. Okay, that is operating system software. Those operating system is accessing the hardware. So in 4 layer you are accessing the computer hardware. Okay. Another type of system software is DD, that is device driver. That means each and every device of the computer, whether it is hard disk, whether it is motherboard, whether it is something else, each device of the computer is having its own system software, that is called driver. Just like your car is having driver, different driver, bus is also for communication, it is having some special type of drivers, truck, other drivers. Okay, so the particular driver will access the particular vehicle. A bike rider can't access the bus. Okay, so this is the thing, how softwares are there on the computer. Now if you will compare, see, if you are removing the software from the hardware, then that is just like a dead body. If you will compare myself with a dead body, I am speaking, I am talking, I am explaining, what does it mean? I am having some energy. But if a dead body is here, then why the dead body is not able to stand up also? Why? Because that is not having any energy. Okay, so this energy in computer term, it is a software. Okay, it is in form of software. Got it? Now a very important question is coming. That question is whether a mobile is computer or not. Okay, so regarding the mobile, yes, I will tell it is a computer. We will discuss regarding that one in our next video. Thank you.